It's time for math today, and we're thinking again about our munching monsters that we learned about yesterday. And we want to remember we had munching monster greater than munching monster likes to munch. He eats the greater number for his lunch. So if our first number that we're comparing is greater, we need this munching monster. And then yesterday we saw this munching monster who's going that way. Because if the first number is less, he doesn't want it. Munching monster likes to munch. He eats the greater number for his lunch. So he's going to eat the number over here because the first number was less and that number was the greater number. And then of course we already said we knew about equal. He was when things are the same on both sides. So let's do a little comparing numbers today. Remember yesterday we said, here's a number 8. Here's a number 6, and I want to compare these numbers. And so I think, well, 8 and 6, which one is he going to eat? Does he want the cupcake with 8 berries or the cupcake with 6? Well, of course he's going to want 8 because that's more. So I put my munching monster in the center, and I say 8 is greater than 6. But sometimes things change. Look what I've done today. Today I have 2 numbers on each side. What do you think I should do? Well, I've just got to add them together and find out how many they are. Then we can find out which munching monster that we need. So over here I have 1 and 10. Well, let me think. How much is 10 and 1 together? Well, I always start with the biggest number, 10, and I count up. 10, one more is 11. So I'm going to write an 11 right here. And then on this side, I have 7 and 2. 7 and 2, how many is that? Well, 7, and I count up 7, 8, 9. So 7 and 2 makes 9. So now I know there's 11 on this side, and there's 9 on this side. So now I know which munching monster I can use. Munching monster likes to munch. He always eats the greater for his lunch. So here he goes. 11 is greater than 9. Let's try it again. Let's look at this one. I've got 5 and 4. Well, I always choose the bigger number, 5, and I just count up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Let's see what we've got on this side. 9 plus 3. Start with my 9, and I count up. 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 on this side. Well, who's munching monster going to want to eat? Of course he's going to want to eat the biggest number, 12. So I put my munching monster in the middle and I say 9 is less than 12. So we're going to play a game today where we use our cards again, but today instead of 1 card on each side, we're going to put 2 cards on each side and add them together. Let's see what kind of fun we can have with that. Okay, today we saw we could have 2 numbers on each side and we could still compare because we can add them together and then we can compare and see which one is greater or which one is less. So today we're going to play the Monster Muncher game again. You'll need your cards. You'll need your little Monster Muncher symbols, your spinner and your paper clip and pencil, all your stuff. Grab all that stuff and play Monster Muncher with someone. But today let me show you the way to play it. Today we're both going to turn over 2 cards. So I'm turning over my 2 cards. And Anna's turning over hers. I have a 5 and a 3. Well, I've got to think, how many is that all together? Remember, I start with the biggest number, 5, and I count on 5, 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. So my total is 8. Let's see what Anna's is. Oh, she's got 9 and 10. Oh, we got to start with the biggest number, 10, and then count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. She's got 19. I only had 8. Well, would 8 be greater or less than 19? Well, of course, 8 would be less than 19. But let's spin and see who gets the cards today. Is it going to be more or less? Landed on more, so Anna gets the cards this time. All right, let's play again. Turn over 2 cards. Ooh, I got a 9 and an 8. Remember, I start with my biggest number, 9, and I count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I've got 17. Anna's got 8 and 2. Ooh, we know that because we know how to make 10. 8 and 2 more makes 10. So she's got 10. I've got 17. What are we going to put in the middle? Are we going to put greater than or less than? Well, we always go from the left to the right. And I see that 17 is greater than 10. But, and a spin. Let's see. Maybe she'll get the cards this time. More. I get the cards this time. Okay, I think we're even now. Let's play again, Anna. Oh, I got 4 and 7. I always start with my biggest number, 7, and then I count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11. Let's see what Anna has. 8 and 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. She's got 13. I've got 11. She's got 13, 11. Is it greater than 13? Nope. 11 is less than. Monster wants to eat the biggest number. 11 is less than 13. Okay, let's see who gets the cards. It landed on more. Anna gets the cards. And when you've used up all your cards, it's time to see who the winner is. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what Anna's got.
8.
She had 8, but does that mean she's the winner? Not always. Spin and let's see who the winner is. Less cards. I won the game with less cards. How fun is that? So you play Monster Muncher today with somebody, but use 2 cards for each person today. And remember, add them together starting with the biggest number and count on. Now that we've had fun playing our game, let's read some of our cards together again because I want you to get comfortable with how we read these types of comparisons. So say these with me. Ready? 5 is less than 6. 2 is greater than 1. 5 is less than 7. 9 is greater than 5. 4 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. 4 is less than 6. Good job. Now today on Seesaw, you're going to be doing some greater than and less than, putting those munching monsters in their right place. And today you're going to have 2 numbers on each side. You've got to add them together first before you can decide where the munching monster goes.